like
ratchet, sassy,
shh.
moody, nasty.
Okay, no more. I have a box here, and of course it's from fucking Gucci. Like at this point, what else am I gonna talk about? I am going to open this box and show you guys what's in the box. In this video, similar to my last one, we're gonna do like a soft unboxing video. And the reason why I use the word soft unboxing is because I already opened this. I already used the product. I just wanted to reopen to show you guys the product inside. So, today I'll be reviewing the Gucci Marmont Matelasse Leather belt bag. In this video, you will learn everything about the bag, from the history of it to how you can find out if the bag is real or not. That is if you buy from a reseller. And most importantly, I will answer whether or not if it's worth it to get the bag. Before we start the video, please click the subscribe button below, give this video a like, and now let's get into it. Okay, so let me open this box really quickly and show you what's inside. So, I was fortunate enough and received this bag as a birthday gift. So obviously this item is very special to me and I would never resell the bag or give it away. So it comes in a dust bag like this, and then when you open it, here is the bag. This is the bag, and this is the belt. Similar to the Gucci slippers I reviewed in my other video, which I will put a link in the description box below. Ever since Gucci came out with this belt bag, suddenly I saw a lot of brands coming out with their own version of Gucci belt bag. Let's talk about the origin of this bag. I would like to mention that my bestie is a Gucci expert, so I basically got the following information from him, so thank you. And why did I act like that earlier? That was fucking disgusting. I'm not like that, okay? Thank you. Okay, so the Marmont you see today is actually the Marmont 2.0. The original hardware with the GG came out back in 1970s-ish. It was on a belt instead of the bag. The name Marmont came from Chateau Marmont, which is a hotel from Hollywood. And by 2016, obviously, Alessandro Michele decided to bring this back, and let me tell you, it was a smart fucking decision. Gucci was dying slowly around that time, and Alessandro really revived the brand and gave everyone a reason to buy Gucci again, including myself. For those of you who don't know the term Matelasse, I'm editing the video right now, and I noticed that I kept on doing this hand sign in the video when I was talking, like, why did I do this? This is basically the Italian version of the middle finger. So if I accidentally, like, gave you the fuck you, I'm so sorry, I didn't mean it. Like, why was I doing this and giving out the information at the same time? It's like, so this is the Gucci bag, okay? It's like this, it's like that. What's wrong? For those of you who don't know the term Matelasse, it basically means that the appearance of the leather looks like it was padded, but it actually isn't. It is the stitching technique that gives the leather more texture, detail, and the appearance of being coated. So how can you tell if this bag is real or not? It is so fucking easy. Look at the Gucci tag inside. I don't know if I still have the Gucci tag. Let me see. Okay, just look at the Gucci tag inside, and Okay, look at the Gucci tag inside. It will have two 6-digit numbers. The first one will be the style number, and the second one will be the workshop number that was made in Italy. I bet you didn't know that, or maybe you did. So I'm just here acting like I'm fucking smart. So, yeah. So, what is the price of this bag? It is retailing for $1,200 before tax. And I believe it is available on their website right now. If you go on Gucci.com and go to their handbag section, this bag is actually available for purchase still. And why is it so fucking expensive? I can tell you why. All bags are made by hand, so not every bag is exactly the same like factory-made ones, making this bag a little bit more personal and less manufactured. So this bag comes in two different sizes, this size and a much bigger size. I believe the bigger size was out of season because obviously everyone preferred this size right here. I have seen the bigger size in person and it was actually really big and much more expensive too. The inside of the bag is surprisingly very roomy and has a lot of space for you to put your items in, and they also have like a tiny envelope in here for you to put your cards or whatever you want to put in there. I think the bag looks more cute full than it is empty. Yeah, it definitely looks better when it's full than empty. So this Gucci Marmont belt bag comes in different colors and fabric, just like the Gucci slippers that I mentioned in my last video. Gucci also milked the shit out of this fucking bag, but nothing can beat the original black leather. I have seen different versions of the velvet bags and the blush pink bag with diamonds placed around the logo of the bag, and I just have to say, absolutely not. I feel like I should stick to the original because if I want to be edgy, then the bag will age like milk 20 years from now. Not even 20 years, like literally like 5 years or 10 years from now. I'm trying to stay safe here so that I can wear this bag again and again, okay? I'm not here to make a risky decision, especially $1,200, absolutely not. Other than that, the bag is really easy to style. By now, you should already have seen this on half of Instagram feed, so I'm not even going to bother showing you guys how to style this fucking bag. You can wear this in the middle like this or sideways like this. Yeah, and then if you want to be creative, you can wear it like this, but my belt is not long enough to actually wear it like this, or maybe I can, I don't know. But yeah, it's a look. Now we're coming into an important part of this video where I will let you guys know if this bag is worth it to buy or not. I have to say that this bag is worth it. And if you are watching this video looking for an excuse to buy this bag, I say buy it. Because first of all, like I mentioned, the bag is super expensive and it is handmade with high quality materials. This is something you can wear for years and years to come. I mean, look at the stitching and like everything about this bag. The zipper, the logo, and not even that, but you can even take off the bag and use this as a Gucci belt. I have mentioned this in so many videos, but when you buy a belt bag, hello, a belt bag, which means you get a belt and a bag. So you can use the belt if you don't feel like using the bag. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, follow me on Instagram at very.snatch. I'll definitely follow you back. I also have a playlist of me reviewing different products, so you can definitely check that out. The link will be in the description box as well. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!